Ireland, known as the Emerald Isle, has captivated the hearts of travelers for centuries, with its lush green landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality. It offers an abundance of exciting places to discover. Whether you're drawn to the ancient castles, vibrant cities, rugged coastlines, or tranquil countryside, here are 11 enticing destinations and picture-worthy locations that will make your visit to Ireland an unforgettable experience. Starting off at number 1 is no other than Dingle Peninsula, which is the home to Ireland's most dramatic coastline. The Dingle Peninsula is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, so if you love exploring the outdoors like I do, make sure you visit Dingle Peninsula whenever you do find yourself at Ireland. Hike along the cliffside trails, even spot dolphins in the Dingle Bay, and most importantly, immerse yourself in the vibrant Gaelic culture only found in the Dingle Peninsula. And number 2 on this list is Dublin. Start your Irish adventure in the cosmopolitan city of Dublin. Immerse yourself in its vibrant atmosphere and explore historical landmarks such as Dublin Castle, Trinity College, and the iconic Guinness storehouse. Number 3 on this list is the Cliffs of Moher. Nature lovers will be left in awe by the majestic Cliffs of Moher. Rising dramatically from the Atlantic Ocean, these towering cliffs offer breathtaking panoramic views and stunning cliff sidewalks. Don't stand too close to the cliffs, otherwise your intrusive thoughts may push you to want to jump down from the cliffs. I know I would have intrusive thoughts, that is. Number 4 on this list is the Giant's Causeway. The unique Giant's Causeway on the north coast beckons with its mystical and geometrically formed basalt columns. Explore the legend of Finn McCool, taking the rugged coastline, and be astounded by nature's artistry. And number 5 on this list is the Rings of Kerry. Embark on a scenic drive along the Ring of Kerry, a 179-kilometer loop that showcases Ireland's natural beauty. Marvel at the picturesque coastline views, ancient ruins, and charming villages like the Killarney and the Kenmare. Number 6 on this list is Killarney National Park. Nestled in the country Kerry, Killarney National Park is a haven of natural beauty. Explore its enchanting lakes, pristine forests, and encounter herds of deers as you venture through its peaceful and picturesque landscapes. Number 7 is Galway City. Discover the bohemian charm of Galway City with its lively art scenes, traditional pubs, and colorful streets. Explore medieval ruins, immerse yourself in the traditional music, and wander through the bustling Latin Quarter. of Ireland. Number 8 on this list is the Burren. A geological and archaeological wonder, the Burren offers a surreal landscape of vast limestone karsts. Explore ancient ruins, encounter unique flora and fauna, and witness the raw beauty of this otherworldly place. This certainly does not look like somewhere on Earth, but it is on Earth. Number 9 is Killarney. With its charming streets filled with traditional pubs and local shops, Killarney is the perfect base for exploring the surrounding natural wonders. Be sure to take a jaunting car ride through Killarney National Park, a truly magical experience. And don't forget to visit towers and castles that you would certainly find in Killarney. Number 10 on this list is the Skellig Islands. Embark on a unique adventure to the Skellig Islands, an UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visit Skellig Michael with its ancient monastic settlements perched on a rugged cliff and be transported back in time. There is no way you would visit the Skellig Islands and you would not feel like you took a trip down timeline. Number 11 on this list, the last but not the least, is Connemara. Experience the untamed wilderness of Connemara, a region filled with jagged mountains, shimmering lakes, and picturesque villages. Explore Kylemore Abbey, sip whiskey in the charming pubs, and soak up the serene beauty of the Connemara. And these are the top 11 picturesque destinations in Ireland to visit whenever you do find yourself in that country. Do check out our previous videos, and if you liked this video in particular, do give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so that you can get notified of when next we drop another video like this. We drop videos like this every day. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Toodles.